I just wanted to share some quick design hacks that you can use in Adobe Express. It's a cloud-based design system that you could use. You just go to express.adobe.com, create an account. They have free or paid plans, so they have a different levels. So you can start for free, and I'll put a link in the description below that you can start to use a 30-day trial to try it out. So when you load it up, I'm on desktop. This is what it looked like. Um, what's cool is they have a section in the middle called Quick Actions, and so these are really helpful. So you click here. Some of the popular actions are remove background, resize, convert. So you have different conversions. You can trim video, um, resize, merge, change speed. Click on image, you see all of the so you have all these other options. Video, if you're working with video, you can do all these too. QR code is really cool. I've used this before. Um, say you want to generate a QR code for your business card. I've even generated a QR code for the Zoom background to use. That's really good. Because during COVID, people couldn't get out, so we did a lot of virtual happy hours. So I would just generate my QR code and put it on my Zoom background, and then people can just use their mobile phone during the meeting and then add you on LinkedIn. So I've used it that way. But so this is the QR code generator. This is what it looks like. So you just paste um, your website information here, and it'll create, and you can choose what color you want. You can choose what style, file type to download. Um, yeah, so that's all you do. So that's super helpful. And then PDF here, we have PDF quick actions, convert, edit, organize, combine. Combine is really useful. So yeah, these are all very helpful. So instead of using 5 different applications, you could just go into Adobe Express and just use one. So super helpful. I'll add the information to the description and you can try it out and tell me what you think.